Birdie said, Cookie Bird.
He wants to hear what he wants to hear.
Cookie Bird.
I said this morning Johnny was shooting his legs into my arm.
That's your left arm? Yeah.
My left arm that he was shooting, but this one hurt.
Yeah. Not easy. Not easy when one of the diseases in you. Alright. Don't be too much behind me, baby. We got a lot of work to do today. Gonna rip down the side of that siding. Take out that one window, frame it. The windows in and get the siding back up. If we get the siding back up, that's great, but we could always move on to another window and me and you do the siding tomorrow as long as it's not gonna rain.
Okay.
That'd be a good thing when Dave's not there, you know? Oh yeah, this guys. This guys, rest of the week. See you over there, baby.
Okay. Good morning, folks. How are you guys doing? You gotta get to work. Very good. How are you guys doing? Good morning.